Right now, the market is in crucial state. Shiba Inu are on a very important point. Analysts are dropping their signals. BlackRock has revealed a rather shocking revelation. Its $250 million is shifting. Team Shiba Inu exposes Shiba Inu's next target. What is occurring here? And how logical all of them seem. What on earth am I even referencing? Let me clarify now. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu are now acting in some surprising ways. It dropped today after a tiny price increase yesterday. And it most certainly grabs the attention of experts. Shiba Inu just couldn't hold onto a basic level, they have noted, and it is rather significant. This year's token looks to have slipped below that crucial level we have been seeing, maybe one of the most difficult times for it. Shiba Inu is now sitting close to its 200-day moving average, a crucial benchmark that often shapes the mood of the whole cryptocurrency market. Sadly, one finds difficult strong support, and should it continue to go below this average, then additional selling pressure might find its way. One of the issues seems to be Shiba Inu's lack of appeal to dealers as compared to past times. When it was rising, many ordinary investors were enticed to it. Nevertheless, its subsequent lack of activity has caused many to become disillusioned. It's difficult to keep the market fascinated about Shiba's potential without such dramatic price swings. They contend that Shiba Inu must recover some of those crucial pricing points and generate fresh interest if it is to get back on track. Should it recover over that pivotal point, it might somewhat inspire optimism. It runs even greater danger falling into the background without a huge change in attitude or large upgrades in its ecology, however. Shiba Inu is in a precarious position as it is right now. Investors are looking more and more at investments that provide quick profits. But the truth is this. Though the price has dropped recently, it seems that the Shiba Inu community is not allowing it to depress them particularly. Actually, they have really come together, and on the burn front, we are seeing some rather remarkable activity. With a startling 612% overnight, the burn rate surged and became the only measure in the ecosystem now showing real increase. Shiba Burn's records show that approximately 3 million Shiba Inu tokens were transferred to inactive addresses. This definitely demonstrates the community's commitment to lowering Shiba Inu's supply levels. They are working to defend their preferred token, demonstrating that they trust in its long-term viability even if the price is not looking fantastic. Seeing such dedication, especially under trying circumstances, is quite motivating. What then is the status of all this? What is really occurring? Well, Bitcoin seems to be really important in it. Since Bitcoin is currently now at an extremely important position, analysts are humming. Bitcoin has dropped about 5% from the peak down below. Analyzers claim that the current decline in Bitcoin follows this typical head and shoulder structure, essentially indicating that things may not be looking good. Should this trend hold true, Bitcoin may plunge around 1.5% further in order to hit that 100-day level. Furthermore, the technical indications indicate increasing numbers of sellers entering the market, and the recent 20-day average decline entirely validates that depressing mood. Furthermore, a relative strength index, RSI, falling below neutral indicates that selling pressure is rising. Should Bitcoin go below there, we may see it truly start to slide, perhaps down to low 80,000. Should it recover, however, maybe it will reach that 90 level once again. Given all this turmoil surrounding Bitcoin, it seems logical that the Shiba Inu community is standing up and attempting to bring about changes. While the market struggles to find itself, they are hustling to keep afloat. Wait, however, you may want to hear this. At last, there might be some hope at the finish of the tunnel. Bitcoin has been keeping its footing recently, even with a price drop. Given that Bitcoin ETFs have attracted about 250 million in inflows, there has been considerable chatter regarding Bitcoin whales returning into action. That is great. Though its price dropped by around 2.5% on the past day, The people over at Sentiment claim that whale activity is on the increase and that major players are still interested in Bitcoin. Even more fascinating is that, despite recent price fluctuations, those Bitcoin ETFs controlled attracted approximately $248 million value of net flows only this Wednesday, underscoring the still quite robust institutional demand. QCP claims that until we get greater clarification on what the Federal Reserve intends with interest rates, the market could be caught in a type of range-bound state. Not everything, either. The CEO of BlackRock just made an amazing estimate that Bitcoin might go to 700,000 shortly, which is definitely fueling the excitement. Yesterday, at the Bloomberg residence in Davos, during a conversation with Francine Lacqua regarding Bitcoin, the top dog in terms of market capitalization, Larry Fink made a strong remark. He said that such sort of increase may materialize if Bitcoin finds wider institutional acceptance. Inquiring about whether a sovereign wealth fund should devote 2% or even 5% of its portfolio, Fink said he recently met with one that was interested in Bitcoin. He claimed, should everyone board this train, Bitcoin may reach 500,000, 600,000, even 700,000. He quickly clarified, however, that he was not endorsing this in any kind. What's more fascinating is how Fink sees Bitcoin as a possible substitute for gold and a defense against political unrest or currency problems. He observed, "I really think it's a great instrument for investing." Why then is Shiba Inu so dependent on all this hype about Bitcoin? Should Bitcoin does start the bull run many are hoping for, it would inevitably affect Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. Could we at last turn around our most recent losses? Are we about to see once again the grand bull run we experienced in 2021? Time will, however, tell. There is one thing for sure. It will be great for Shiba Inu if Bitcoin gains momentum. The Shiba Inu crew is also looking forward to the future and guessing when we could have a fresh alt season. Specifically optimistic about what's ahead is Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing lead. Although Bitcoin has been taking the stage with its recent surge and new all-time high, she thinks the expected alt season for coins like Shiba Inu has yet to develop. Lucy mentioned in a tweet her hope that cryptocurrency, including Shiba Inu, will provide more chances on horizon. She hinted at some possibly revolutionary events and said that the next 4 years may be really interesting for the crypto scene. She didn't get into details, but it seems as if she anticipates notable price swings for cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu during that period. The Shiba Inu community has cause to be optimistic given this type of positivity that permeates everything. Should Bitcoin flourish, it might pique Shiba Inu's once again enthusiasm and curiosity. Ultimately, we should keep in mind that we should see beyond only earnings. Key member of the Shiba Inu Society, Lucy, just tweeted some smart comments. "Money," she replied, "is not the aim. Top concern is freedom and peace. It's a sobering reminder that while money might enable us to reach certain goals, it is truly just a tool, not the ultimate aim." She is realizing that things like independence and peace of mind, qualities money cannot purchase, are the path to actual pleasure and satisfaction. It's about how financial achievement could open the path for a better life rather than being the major emphasis itself. Given Shiba Inu, this thought really speaks to me. The community is about creating something important together as much as it is about the ups and downs of price swings. This kind of thinking may help members to remain driven and oriented on the larger vision while the token negotiates its present ups and downs. Should Shiba Inu keep developing and maturing, not just as a meme symbol, but also as a part of a larger movement, therefore benefiting its local population? Thus, let's also remember to encourage that feeling of freedom and peace within the Shiba Inu community, even as we focus on possible gains in future bull rushes. After all, such type of optimism might provide the foundation for a far better future. On this, however, what do you think? Notes down below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.